Welcome to Fit to Fab Dance Workout for Fun and Fitness. Are you ready to groove, sweat, and get fabulously fit? My name is Jane, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this exhilarating fitness journey. We're going to merge the joy of movement with effective fitness routines to help you achieve your health and wellness goals. We've got a variety of dance styles lined up, from hip-hop to salsa, to keep you on your toes and your body engaged. But remember, it's not just about the dance moves. We're here to push ourselves, challenge our limits, and have an absolute blast while doing it. So, before we dive into the dance, let's take a moment to warm up those muscles and get our bodies ready for action. Our warm-up will focus on increasing flexibility, improving range of motion, and preventing injuries, so you can dance with confidence and ease. As we begin, let's start with some gentle movements. Let your body sway rhythmically to the beat. Feel the music and let it guide your movements. This is your time to connect with your body, to understand its rhythm and pace. Now let's pick up the pace a bit. Raise those arms, stretch them wide. Feel the stretch in your muscles, the tingling sensation as they wake up. Let's roll our shoulders, loosen them up. That's it, you're doing fantastic. Next, we're going to touch our toes. This not only stretches your hamstrings, but also improves your balance. Remember, it's not about how far you can reach, but rather about listening to your body and understanding its limits. With our bodies warmed up and ready, it's time to transition into our dance workout. The beauty of dance is that it's a full body workout. It targets not only your core, legs, and arms, but also your heart, as it's a fantastic cardiovascular exercise. Let's start with some groovy hip-hop moves. Feel the rhythm, let it guide your body. Don't worry about getting the moves perfect. It's all about having fun and getting that heart rate up. Moving on, let's spice things up with some salsa. Feel the Latin beats. Let your hips sway to the rhythm. This is not just a workout, it's a celebration, a party where you're the main star. Remember, the key to this workout is to listen to your body. If you feel any discomfort, slow down, take a break. Hydrate regularly, and don't forget to breathe. This is your workout, your journey to fitness and fun. As we wrap up, let's slow down the pace. Take deep breaths. Let your heart rate come back to normal. Give yourself a pat on the back. You've done an amazing job today. You're doing amazing, dancers. Keep that energy up and make every move count. And that's a wrap on Fit to Fab Dance Workout for Fun and Fitness. I hope you enjoyed sweating it out with us today. We've danced, we've laughed, and we've pushed our limits. Remember, each step you take is a step towards a healthier and fitter you. Each dance move, no matter how small, is a celebration of what your body can do. Dance is not just about burning calories or toning muscles, it's about expressing yourself and having fun. It's about the joy of movement and the thrill of the rhythm. If you've enjoyed today's session and want more dance workouts like this one, do hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to activate notifications so you never miss a beat with us. We've got a lot more groovy workouts coming your way. Until next time, keep dancing and stay fabulously fit.